Here at ProsperTech, we have installed some advanced manufacturing technology here in the form of an Erowa Compact 80 robot that is a 60-part palletized changer. This allows us to run 60 jobs sequentially, lights out, unattended, with no operator intervention. Start with a raw block of stock here on our pallet. Our robot will then pick it up, take it through an auto door on the side of our CNC mill, load it into a chuck, retract back into its cage, and we are ready to run. We then implement in-process part checking and tool checking to ensure the part is within specification and there's no cutter damage or wear. After we are done machining the parts in our robot, we will then move them over to the CMM and perform a full quality inspection on them to make sure that we have a quality intolerance part. This system is beneficial to our customers due to increased productivity and faster turnaround times. If you have any questions about how ProsperTech can help you in your manufacturing processes, please give us a call or visit our website.